everyone, Marianne from MC Beaders, and I wanted to show you what I did today. Serenity Creations had a beautiful tutorial that I watched, and I decided to make some of her bracelets. It calls for memory wire and this pony bead lacing. It's like a tubing. Okay, that's the only thing I needed to get, and then I went through my stash of beads and I created some bracelets. So here's the first one. It's black and green. And so they were so fun to make. And a clear one. I think that this one is my favorite one. And I made a gold one with blue. The dangles, and a black and red one with red dangles, and a pearl with I thought those were red. Okay, those are purple and green with green dangles. So that's what I created today. Thank you, Serenity Creations, for the step-by-step easy tutorial. Okay, bye-bye for now.